Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Welcome learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi. We continue with our biology lesson. The topic is cell physiology. So today we are going to discuss the role of diffusion in living organisms. So we are going to look at the role of diffusion in living organisms, and in this case we are asking ourselves, how is diffusion important in living organisms? And when you talk of living organisms, we are asking ourselves, how is it important, for example, in animals and also in plants? So one, the first importance or the first role of diffusion is in the absorption of materials. Absorption of materials. We will give examples here. For example, plants need to absorb mineral salts from the soil. In that case, if the soil has a higher concentration than the concentration that is inside the plant, then the mineral salts will be absorbed by diffusion from the soil. So in this case, we can say that plants absorb mineral salts from the soil by diffusion if the concentration in the soil is higher. If the concentration in the soil is higher than in the plant, or than in the root hair cells of the plant. So we have seen that is one way in which plants absorb mineral salts. Note, it's not water, but mineral salts. And that one only happens if the concentration in the soil is higher than the concentration in the plant. Number two, still on the absorption of materials, let's give an example now of animals. And we can say that animals absorb digested food. Animals absorb digested food, e.g. something like glucose, amino acids, from the ileum into the bloodstream. So we are saying that also diffusion is important during the absorption of digested food from the ileum into the bloodstream. And here we are saying that in the ileum there is a higher concentration of digested food than in the blood. So diffusion will take charge there.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.